Alright guys, so today I'm here with the review of MIUI 11 Android 10 9.10.24 for Poco F1. And here you can see, so as you can see, I have live wallpaper enabled, and which is available only for the version which I have on my phone. As you also know, there is a stable MIUI 11 available for Poco F1 now. There are few features which are not available in that one, so I'll just let you know what all features are available in this one, which you won't find it in the Poco F1 Pro. One is the live wallpaper, which you won't see. Other one is the Google News feed, which is available with this launcher. So if you go to settings, go to more, -1 screen, you'll see Google available here, whereas on Poco F1 stable I didn't find this option. Also in this one, by default you'll see that you have a face unlock available. Alright, on Poco F1 stable you need to flash another file, which is a region fix file, for this to be enabled. In display dark mode, you see dark mode here, which is also there in Poco F1, but what you won't see is global dark mode. So global dark mode, it makes other apps which are not compatible with the dark mode provided by Android 10. It forcefully makes them dark. It's quite good. So apart from few apps like Flipboard, which I use extensively, uh, it has been working quite well. It hasn't given any trouble. Also few issues reported with this ROM were fingerprint and camera focus not working. For me, both are working fine. I can show you. It's quite dark here, but for me it works. I don't know whether you guys can see or not, but it really works well for me. And there are a few other things. There's a brightness fix for the ROM, which on auto brightness it doesn't work, but I have manually set up the brightness, so I have no issues with that. And the ROM is smooth. It has Google Play gaps already installed, so you don't need to flash the gaps separately, because it's a MIUI EU Europe port, which already includes the gaps. And all the MIUI 11 features are available here, such as the special features. You can see MIUI Lab is there, quick replies, it's also there. And this one has the latest version of Game Turbo, which you won't find on MIUI 11 for Poco. It's still running on old version. Also few more features, such as casting with the screen off, are also available through this port. And I'll now tell you a few I can't say like fixes. They're like yeah, one is for notch, so that fixes the notch. I'll tell you how to do that. What you have to do is you have to go to additional settings, developer options. If you don't know how to enable developer options, I'll suggest you Google that. And then there is an option for the notch here, display cutout. Alright, this one you have to select tall cutout. This will fix the notch for Poco F1. And also I'll show you on YouTube. So if you have to do if you have to have if you want to watch any video in the window mode, you have to do it like this, and it appears here. I don't know, while recording it's not appearing. So but this works definitely, and it has worked for me. Apart from that, it's a very smooth experience, and I can tell you one thing, that once you flash this one, you won't want to go back to the stable Poco F1 ROM, which is a global version, because this one has many more features. And as you all know, Xiaomi is known for cutting corners once the phone becomes old. So this one, I think, is Mi Mix 2 port. So there's a firmware file which is Polaris, which you need to flash, and then you flash this ROM. I didn't flash the DFE, so I'm not sure whether you need to, but you can always, if you want to secure your data on the SD card or internal storage, you can do that. And yeah, you're good to go, and you'll be ready in no time. So if you have any questions about the ROM, or if you have any suggestions, how I can improve the video, let me know. And I look forward to any feedback from you guys. Thank you.